The Toyota Corolla isn't here to wow or excite. Instead, it offers a safe, predictable ride no matter how far the trip is. Performance isn't at the forefront of the Corolla's intentions, except for the GR Corolla, reviewed separately. And its most powerful engine packs a stable of 169 lethargic horses. When compared to the Honda Civic or Mazda 3, the Corolla feels much like a tortoise between two hares. The Corolla is available as either a Ford or sedan, or 5-door hatchback. The former is even available with an incredibly fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain. The Toyota Corolla goes dark for 2024. With the return of the Nightshade Edition, the appearance package builds on the Say-Trim level, adding the likes of bronze wheels and dark badging. Nightshade Corolla hatchbacks get a black roof and a vented sport wing. The price of the 2024 Toyota Corolla starts at $23,145 and goes up to $28.3 for $5 depending on the trim and options. We'd choose the Sporty by Corolla Standard Say sedan, as its touter suspension makes it nicer to drive than the setups of the LA and XLE grades. The Corolla Say sedan comes standard, with plenty of features to keep us satisfied, including LED headlights, 18-inch wheels and tires, a leather-trimmed steering wheel, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Corolla uses a 169 HP 2.0-liter four-cylinder that sends power to the front wheels through a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. While all hatchbacks share that same powertrain, the sedan also offers a hybrid powertrain. Our tests of the Corolla Say hatchback and the Corolla XSE sedan prove that even the strongest engine doesn't deliver adequate acceleration. Our tests of the Corolla Say hatchback and the Corolla XSE sedan prove that even the strongest engine doesn't deliver adequate acceleration. The Toyota twins were quite prudent around town and steady on the highway, however. Unfortunately, hard acceleration produced coarse engine sounds that diminished their refinement. The all-wheel drive hybrid model we tested hit 60 mph in a rather leisurely 9.0 seconds, while the last hatchback model we had in for testing did it in 8.3 seconds. Both the Corolla sedan and the hatchback have a pleasant ride quality that adequately isolates all but the worst bumps. Their controlled body motions also provide better agility than previous iterations. The Corolla Say and XSE further separate themselves with a stiffer, sport-tuned suspension and the latter's larger 18-inch wheels. Everything else rides on either 15 or 16-inch rims. Still, compared with athletic and engaging rivals, such as the Mazda 3 and Honda Civic, the Corolla's progressive steering is satisfactory but not exemplary.